Introduction. If you're a designer or artist, you should know about the golden ratio. We explain what it is, golden ratio, and how you can use it. What do the pyramids of Giza and Da Vinci's Mona Lisa have in common with Twitter and Pepsi? Quick answer: they are all designed using the golden ratio. But what is the golden ratio? This guide is here to explain all. In short, it's a mathematical ratio, commonly found in nature. It can be used to create organic-looking, visually pleasing compositions in your artwork or design projects, and is useful for graphic designers, illustrators and digital artists. What is golden ratio and how to use in design? The golden ratio describes the perfectly symmetrical relationship between two proportions, approximately equal to a 1 to 1.61 ratio. The golden ratio can be illustrated using a golden rectangle. This is a rectangle where, if you cut off a square, the rectangle that's left will have the same proportions as the original rectangle. So if you remove the square from the rectangle above, you'll be left with another, smaller golden rectangle. This could continue infinitely. Similarly, the golden ratio can be applied to shapes too. Take a square and multiply one side of by 1.618 and you get a rectangle of harmonious proportions. Plotting the relationships in scale provides us with what's known as a golden spiral. This occurs organically in the natural world. How to apply the golden ratio to your design? So, let's see practical.
The golden ratio is best understood as the proportion 1 to 1.618. It has been used throughout history to create visually appealing designs. So, first of all, let's make the golden rectangle, and extract the golden circles that we will use. Select the rectangle tool. Hold Shift and make a perfect square. Maintain Alt and drag it down, to duplicate it and make it aligned with the old one. Now with the rectangle tool, maintain Shift, and from the top left make another square perfectly aligned with the other two squares. Now select everything and rotate it by 90 degrees. Again, select the rectangle tool. Hold Shift and make another square perfectly aligned with the other squares. Now select everything and rotate it by 90 degrees. Again, select the rectangle tool. Hold Shift and make another square perfectly aligned with the other squares. Repeat the same process until you are satisfied with the result. Now, we got our golden rectangle. Now we have to extract the golden circles that we will use it to design our logo. Select the ellipse tool. Go to the center of the bigger square, maintain Shift and Alt and drag until you make a circle in the same size of the square. Now repeat the same process to make a circle for each square. Drag every circle outside of the rectangle. Select all the circles together. Go to the Align window. Click on Horizontal Align Center option. Then click on Vertical Align Center option. Okay, this is our golden circles.